Bones Cross, 70s crew. Peter Ripley, get the tape rolling and keep a lookout. From the green to the wreck to the pit, that's how we live. Back to the wreck, let the memories unwind. Go Jamie, Adair and Perry low on my mind. Reggie Fulford, Flint, yeah, we're passing through with Paul, Charlie, Paddy, the McKinley crew. The Evans boys, Gary, Dennis and Dave. On his lime green bike, cow horns or the rage. Mark, Dye, Tom, Pete, Rogers, James, Blaymire. Philip Burgum's got the sports kit, he's the referee too. Colin, Lane, Eddie, Goode. A 10 bob note down to Joyce's shop, cause we fancy a smoke. 10 number 6, and don't tell our dad. Then round across to Jennings for a top shelf man.
Now let's talk about the girls, the heart of the scene. Debbie, Huff and Jackie Gillham, you know what I mean. Best friends forever, yeah, they're always together. Linda, Blake, Kathleen, Huggies through any kind of weather. The Eves twins, Debs and Denise, double take fuel with Jackie Cherry and Jackie Milton.
Jackie Cherry,
Steph Smith, Tina Lyons and Vinnie Tall, heading off now on our way to the Bull. It's the pub we like the best, we love it most of all. Take me back to the stone, back to the green, the greatest playground that I've ever seen. From Horns Cross to the Bull, that's where we be. We weren't at the last, it's the Bull for me. Yeah, the days were long and the nights were gold. Stories of the cross that'll never get old. Jackie Cherry knew.
From Swanscombe School to the Bean Youth Club, Mickey Hall, Rhonda Java, Sharon Hull at the hub. Jimmy Gillham, Dean Brown, Paul Simmons in the mix. Kim Bright and Fred Hoffman getting our kicks. Noddy Saywood, the Howards, Ted and Nina too. The Clinch twins, Dawn and Karen, ooh. Then Cox's Chippy, we're asking for a favor. A bag of crackling, please, that crispy batter flavor. Carol singing door to door, penny for the guy. Then back along to Jennings, 10 more fags we will buy.
But the magic happened down in Peter Ripley's shed. An electronic whiz with a clever head. Record the top 40, fingers on the pause. Cutting out the DJ, ignoring all the laws. Building bikes and trolleys, but let's be real and witty. That shed was also known as our makeout city. November on the green, the bonfire's getting tall. Down the pit for a silver birch, the biggest center pole of all. Families descend when the fireworks ignite, lighting up the cross on a cold autumn night. And stone fate comes, all the marquees in the sun. Miss Stone on the stage, having all the fun. I remember Carol Ashby took the crown one year. The veterans hold disco when the music in my ears. To the stone wreck, back to the green, the greatest playground that I've ever seen. From Horns Cross to the Bull, that's where we be. We weren't at the lads, it's the Bull for me. Yeah, yeah, the days were long and the nights were gold. Stories of the cross that'll never get old. Yeah, hear the handbell ringing, he's coming down the lane. The toffee apple man on his bike once again, shouting toffee apples, roasted peanuts loud and clear. Lee's Kitchen, DiMaggio's, the best times of the year. From the J Cliff Heights to the tank tunnels roar, we were kings of the cross, who could ask for more?
Football on the wreck till we couldn't see the ball. Rounders on the green, yeah, we had it all. Just a bunch of kids in a world of our own. The best damn place that we ever known. Taking the reins from all those who grown older. Tommy Ford, Mark Blake, Steve Adams, all soldiers. Steve Gillham, Alan Thwaites and Chris Lowe too. H. Rollins, all the old Horns Cross crew. Handing down the banner and we all shout, we won't let you down, this is our patch now. So is the cross for me, all day long. It's the inspiration for this song. If I didn't mention you, please don't be mad. There's just too many legends for one notepad. Come on, Perry, let's go scrumping. Raw rhubarb dipped in sugar, so inviting.